In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a stacked area chart in Power BI. Our journey begins with helping you visualize your data in a way that's not only informative, but also visually engaging. Stacked area charts are particularly useful for displaying data over time, showing trends and the contribution of various components to the whole. Let's dive into the steps that will guide you through this process. To get started, you'll want to open your Power BI application and have your dataset ready. The first thing you'll do is select the right visual for your data. Power BI offers a variety of visualizations, but for this tutorial, we're focusing on the stacked area chart. Once your data is loaded into Power BI, look for the visualization pane located typically on the right side of your screen. Here you'll notice various icons representing different chart types. Hover over these icons until you find the stacked area chart. With your dataset ready, select the stacked area chart icon. Having selected your visual, your next step will be opening the format pane. The format pane is crucial for customizing your chart's appearance and ensuring it aligns with your desired presentation style. You can find the format pane represented by a paint roller icon in the visualizations pane. Clicking on it will reveal various options that allow you to tailor your chart exactly how you like it. Once in the format pane, you'll want to direct your attention to finding the conditional formatting icon. Conditional formatting is an effective way to enhance your chart by applying color variations based on specific values or conditions in your dataset, thus making the information more digestible at a glance. Look closely in the format pane. You'll usually find the conditional formatting option nested under fields such as data colors or values. Clicking this icon will open up a wealth of customization opportunities for you to explore. Now that you've found the conditional formatting icon, it's time to choose a formatting style that best represents your data. When modifying the conditional formatting settings, you'll typically have options such as color scales, rules, and field value-based formatting. A handy tip here is to have a clear idea of what you want to highlight or emphasize in your data. For example, using a gradient color scale can indicate low to high values effectively, while specific color rules can alert viewers to key data points or thresholds. Experimentation at this stage is encouraged as it will help you discover which style best suits your narrative and makes the data most accessible to your audience. Following these steps, you should have a well-formatted stacked area chart that not only looks professional, but also communicates your data story effectively. This visualization will be a helpful addition to any report or presentation, providing insights that are easy to interpret and visually appealing. So go ahead, apply what you've learned, and watch your data come to life in new and exciting ways.